See children, example number 2. How to solve this complex circuit? In this circuit, every resistor is R. Can you solve it? Very simple. First of all, consider this terminal is battery positive. This terminal is connected to battery positive terminal. This is connected to battery negative terminal. Already I told you positive terminal ni V anukondi, negative terminal ni zero potential anukondi. Same potential exists till here. Why? Because there is no resistor. Zero potential goes like this. Here also zero potential exists. Here also zero potential exists. Now what will happen? Same potential do not exist here. ఇక్కడ 3 volt ఉంటే ఇక్కడ 0 volt ఉంది. Some of the potential is consumed by these two resistors. Let the potential here is X. ఇక్కడ 3 volt ఉంటే కొంత కన్జ్యూమ్ చేసుకొని ఇట్ మే బి 2 volt or 1.5 volt or something. ఇక్కడ 0 potential ఉంది. So that some of the potential is consumed here. So let the potential at these two ends is Y. ఇక్కడ X అనుకుందాం, ఇక్కడ Y అనుకుందాం. అంటే highest potential is V, lowest potential is 0. In between X and Y, some of the potentials are consumed. నా దగ్గర ఒక 100 రూపీస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఈ 100 రూపీస్ నీ దగ్గర 0 రూపీస్ ఉన్నాయి. అంటే ఐ ఆమ్ హయ్యర్ పొటెన్షియల్, యు ఆర్ లోయర్ పొటెన్షియల్. In between two children are there, so that I give some money, so that what will happen, some of the potential is consumed from me, so that some of the potential is lost. 3 volt becomes 1.5, and in between to us some of the potential is consumed by here. Let this is X, this is Y. Now in between V and X, one resistor is there. This resistor I am drawing here. V and X, one more resistor. V and this is Y. V and Y, one more resistor is here. This is also done. Y and 0, one more resistance is here. Now X and 0, one more resistor is here, and one is left between Y, X and Y. Also one resistor is here. This one, total 5 resistors. Now observe carefully children, this one terminals you connect like this. This is what A terminal, this is what B terminal. Again previous process only, check whether this is a Wheatstone bridge or not. అంటే ఏంటి చెక్ చేయాలమ్మా? Wheatstone bridge అంటే this ratio R by R ratio is equal to R by R or not. R by R is 1, this R by R is also 1. That means 1 is equal to 1. And there is no current flow in the middle. You can eliminate this. So that this first find this ratio R by R is equal to R by R. ఈ రెండు ఈక్వల్ అయినప్పుడు you can eliminate the middle resistor. అప్పుడు ఏం రాయొచ్చమ్మా? These two are same current. Here current is I. This is the junction. I1 current is flowing here. I2 current is flowing here. Same current. I1 current flows from this. These two are in series. R plus R, 2R. This is 2R. This is also same current. I2 current is flowing. So 2R. The 2R in parallel. No need to do. Same resistors parallel means just half of it. రెండు సేమ్ రెసిస్టర్స్ ప్యారలల్లో ఉంటే దాన్ని హాఫ్ చేసేయండి. 2R అయితే R ఆన్సర్. సార్ ఎలా సార్? సింపుల్. R ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ మామీ ఫార్ములా R1 R2 బై R1 ప్లస్ R2. R1 R2 2R into 2R by 2R plus 2R is 4R. 1 R gets cancelled. 2's are 4 cancel R. 2R means just half of it R. R is the answer. This total circuit resistance is R ohm. Clear children? Please note down.